In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly create a Zap and Zapier to integrate ClickFunnels with Shopify. This process will automate your orders, making your e-commerce operations smoother and more efficient. First, navigate to the Zapier homepage. If you're not familiar with Zapier, it's a versatile tool that helps automate workflows by connecting your apps and services. Now, let's create our first Zap. It's essential to understand that a Zap is a specific automation you set up between two or more apps. Locate and click the Create button on your dashboard. This will take you to the Zap creation interface where you can start building your automation. Once you're there, click on Zaps, which will enable us to define and customize our unique integration between ClickFunnels and Shopify. At this stage, you'll need to identify the specific process you wish to automate. Type in ClickFunnels to Shopify in the search bar. This search will refine your choices, showcasing options specifically tailored to bridging functionalities between these two platforms. Once you've searched, click on the ClickFunnels to Shopify option. This selection will initiate the setup of your automation process. Here, you'll be selecting New Purchase in ClickFunnels as your trigger event. Essentially, this means every time someone makes a purchase through ClickFunnels, it will kickstart the automation. ClickFunnels is a software platform known for creating sales funnels and automations, and it's crucial to have this seamless connection with Shopify to ensure smooth order fulfillment. Next, you'll see an option labeled Setup. Click on this to start configuring the next steps of your Zap. Don't worry if this seems complex at first. Zapier makes it intuitive and straightforward. Now, navigate to and click on Shopify. This action signifies that Shopify is the resulting action platform in our automation. Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform, and the integration you're setting up ensures that your order information moves swiftly from ClickFunnels to Shopify. You'll then get another Setup button. Click on it to enter details specific to how you want the data from ClickFunnels to be handled once it's in Shopify. Such configurations are critical in tailoring the precise execution of your automation tasks. By now, you've almost completed your Zap setup. Simply click on Account and sign in to authorize your connection. It's crucial to ensure that both ClickFunnels and Shopify are properly authenticated and connected to Zapier to allow data sharing securely. Once signed in, you're good to go. You've now configured a powerful Zap to automate your e-commerce workflow, ensuring every purchase on ClickFunnels gets accurately recorded and managed in Shopify. This setup can save you time, reduce errors, and let you focus more on growing your business. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has made the automation process clearer and more approachable for you.